Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this pipe junction here. This is a simple part, 44mm pipe dia all over. This is 44mm. Only this area 36 M36 is 32mm. It should be according to the size for 36mm M36 and 2 pitch. It should be 32mm up to, this is shown 18mm, but there is some space here, free space here where there is no thread. Is 22mm actually. It's not shown here, but it should be 22mm. And then there is a flange of radius 25 here. R10 is the bore, R10 is the radius of this, and it means 20mm here and 10mm drill here, and this is 30mm all over, as shown in here is 30mm all over, and this is 48mm here. This is 48 way, you can see here is 48mm. So let's start. I will go for new part. Okay, on the top plane I will draw a sketch of 74mm according to drawing and extrude it up to 10mm. Okay, on this face I will draw a sketch of 44mm and extrude it up to 58mm, like so. Let me extrude it a little further. I'll make it 65mm. There's no problem here. On the right plane I will draw a sketch like so and give it a length here. From here to the origin it is 58, and this one is 56mm, and from here to origin it is 80mm. Now sketch is fully defined. I need a 30mm fillet here, like so. Okay, the sketch is fully defined. Let me clear this up a little bit. Okay, now I will exit out of the sketch and I will make a plane here. I will take this and make a plane like so. On this plane I will draw a sketch of 44mm, which is the pipe size all over. The sketch is fully defined. Okay, I will go for swept bar space. I will select this and this, and this is done. On the right plane again I will draw a sketch, a line from here to here, but let me draw a center line from here and give it a dimension of 58mm, which is the center of the everything, and I will make sure that this is coincident with this, and this length is, the length of this is 68mm. Okay, this is fully defined. I will exit out of it. I will make a plane here like so. Okay, on this plane I will draw another 44mm radius, 44, which is the pipe size. Let me make this and this. Let me make this and this piers. Sketch is fully defined. Let me hide the plane. Okay, we'll hide it later. I will exit out of the sketch. I will hide the plane now. I will go for swept base boss. I will select this and this. This is done. Now I will go to right plane again and draw a sketch. Let me draw first a center line of 58 millimeter, and on this end of it, on the end of this line is I will draw a circle of 32 radius. 32 times 2, this is 64 millimeter. 64 millimeter. I will extrude it up to, I will blind end condition mid plane. I will extrude it up to 64 millimeter. Okay, this is done. I will now make a, I will hide this plane. On this surface, I will draw a sketch of, let me make this point of, this is 25 radius, it means it's 50 millimeter dia, and there is two more circles here, like so. I will make sure these all are horizontal, and this is 20 millimeter because the radius given is 10. It's 20. Okay, this and this should be equal, and the distance between this and this is 60 millimeter, and from here to there it is, from here this is 30 millimeter. The sketch is defined. Try to define. I will draw a line here, from here to tangent to this, and another line from here to tangent of this, like so. I will draw a center line, like so. I can make sure it is horizontal. Yes, it is vertical, sorry. I will mirror it across, mirror about this line. Okay, the sketch is fully defined. Let me trim the extra. I will delete this. The sketch is fully defined. Now I'll have to extrude it up to 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter reverse direction, like so. I will draw another sketch here. I will draw drills here, circles here of equal relation, and I give it a dimension of 10 millimeter because this is 10 millimeter shown in the drawing. I will extrude them up to next. Okay, I will wake this this line up. I will draw a circle here on this here of 30 millimeter, which is the bore. 30 millimeter. Exit out of it. I will take swept cut and wake this up. Wake swept line. I will take this line. This is started to cut here. Okay, this is done. I will draw a sketch over here of 48 millimeter. 48. Sketch is fully defined. I will extrude it up to 18 millimeter, but reverse direction, like so. I will draw a sketch here of 30 millimeter, 30, and I will cut it up to center of this, which is 68 millimeter. Okay, now I will draw another sketch here of 32 millimeter, 32, and I will cut it up to 22 millimeter, like so. This is for the 36 millimeter M36 thread. I will go for threads. I will take this, give it 18 millimeter, offset 5 millimeter is okay, reverse, like so. M metric tab 36.2, it's okay. The thread is complete. Now let me give it a chamfer here. It should have a chamfer here of 2 millimeter, but the thread will make a problem here, so I will reselect the thread here. Okay, the thread is complete. I will draw a few sketches here. I will draw on the quadrant of 12 millimeter. I will draw center line from here to this. This is fully defined, this is vertical. Okay, I will go for patterning it, 3 times pattern. I will delete this and take the point of this 3 times. Once again I will delete this, circular pattern. I will take this as a center, and I will take this, delete this 3 times. Again it is going to make a problem, like so. Okay, this is done. I will nudge it a bit. This and this should be concentric, so the sketch is fully defined. I will extrude it as per drawing. It is 18 millimeter, reverse direction. I will show you. This is 15 millimeter shown here somewhere. Yes, 15 millimeter here, and 3 millimeter is the fillet here. 3 millimeter fillet and 15 millimeter length is total 18 millimeter. 3 millimeter radius shown here. Okay, I will fillet this 3 millimeter. Okay, all 3 of them. Control Z. I will delete this and select this line. Okay, and I will select this line. Okay, all fillets are done. All is left is to cut a bore here of 30 millimeter. 30, cut up to the center of this, which is 58 millimeter. 58 millimeter, so it will come in the center. Okay, I will go to hole wizard. M5 tapped hole, NC metric, blind 14 millimeter. Let me make it 15 millimeter. 13 millimeter is okay, but in the drawing it is given 12, so I will take it 12, and 10 millimeter is the thread position. Is this center of this, center of this, and center of this. Okay, this is done. I will go for annotation, details, shaded cosmetic thread, so you can see the threads here. Okay, now I will draw a sketch here of 27 millimeter radius. 27 times 2 is 54 millimeter radius. Sketch is fully defined. I will cut it up. This is 64 millimeter, and I will take it to 60 millimeter. Okay, this is done. Everything looks fine. Nothing else is done required here, so I will change the appearance now. Edit appearance. I will take like something like that. It's okay, it looks good. I think there is nothing left. Everything is done. Flange is complete, the holes are done, thread is complete, these threads are complete. Yes, there are holes here, so I will use the section view, top view. Okay, on this face I will draw a few sketches like so of 8 millimeter. I will draw a center line from here to this and make it vertical. I will give it a distance from here to there is 30 millimeter, because the PCD, not 60, 30. 60 is the PCD. Now I will go for pattern it, circular pattern. I will select this 4 times, it's okay. I will make a little here. I'll try to move it here. I will move this point to this, so it will fully define the sketch. Okay, let's cut it up to next through all. Okay, is done. There is a fillet here, yes, of 3 millimeter. Okay, everything looks good and complete. I hope you like this, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope some people will learn something out of it. This is simple exercise. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it.